Introducing Star Energy Advario, a collaboration between Advario and Star Energy Group.
As CEO, I'd like to welcome you to Star Energy Advario. Safety will always be our #1 priority, and as such we continue to invest significantly to provide a much more secure environment for our terminal operations. However, safety is a shared responsibility, and each one of us plays a vital role in maintaining a safe workplace, and as such your commitment to adhering to our safety protocols is of utmost importance. This HSSE induction video will provide you with information highlighting the necessary precautions and emergency protocols that we have in place. So it's very important that you pay attention. Thank you for joining us today, and be assured that safety will always be our #1 priority.
Our terminal facility in Jebel Freezone has 43 tanks with a capacity of up to 950,000 cubic meters. At Star Energy Advario, your safety is our key concern. Our HSSE objectives are: zero harm to people, zero incidents, no spillage, and zero damage to the environment. We're committed to sustainable operation with consistent adherence to safety at all times. Our goal is Target Zero. Our motto: if we can't do it safely and ethically, we don't do it at all. Basic site HSSE rules. Safety and security are our top priorities. Following items and activities are strictly prohibited on our plant: cigarettes, matchboxes or lighters, mobile phone, cameras, eating in designated areas only, no alcohol and drugs. Hand over all prohibited items to the security officer, including cigarettes, lighters or matchboxes, mobile phones, and cameras. Food is permitted only in designated areas. We have a zero tolerance policy for drug and alcohol use. Security requirements. To enter our facility, personnel must give their ID and get a visitor's pass from our security officers. Personal protective equipment, PPEs. If you are entering the terminal, following personnel protective equipment is required. These include safety helmets with chin straps, foot protection, safety glasses, and protective gloves with full sleeves cotton coveralls as part of the uniform. Office visitors should wear a full sleeve cotton jacket or cotton shirt if entering the terminal site. Assembly points. Our terminal has 3 assembly points strategically positioned near entry gates and jetty areas. Remember your nearest assembly point and follow the exit signs during an emergency alarm. Emergency alarm inside office sounds like this. Emergency alarm in the terminal sounds like this. In case you hear the emergency alarm, switch off electrical equipment or engines before leaving the site. Proceed calmly to the nearest assembly point and do not panic. Weekly alarm testing. The terminal conducts weekly alarm testing every Tuesday at 9 a.m. No action is needed. You will be handed the Terminal Information Booklet, which will provide you with more details about the HSSE and the emergency protocols at our terminal. Please read it carefully, and for any clarification, feel free to contact the concerned Star Energy Advario employee. Thank you for paying attention. Stay alert, stay safe. We wish you a safe and productive visit to Star Energy Advario.